Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. Today, we're sharing 5 pro tips for editing your Gamma projects with AI. Whether you're refining structure, elevating visuals, or adding more content, these tips will save you time and help you make your content look stellar in a flash. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Make things more visual. If you're working on a card and unsure how to make it visually more engaging, let AI assist you. Select a card, click Edit with AI, and then choose Make this more visual. Gamma will analyze your content and recommend relevant visuals. It's a fast way to make your ideas easier to visualize. Tip 2. Try a new layout. If you want to experiment with different card styles fast, select any card and click Edit with AI, then select Try New Layout. Gamma will instantly propose different visual structures without changing your content. This is an effective method for exploring various formats to bring your ideas to life. Tip 3. Add cards with AI. With Gamma, you can add more content and sections to your project in seconds. Click the Add Card with AI button located between the cards. Gamma will suggest topics based on your presentation, or you can write your own idea. You can either select a template or allow Gamma to determine the structure of your content. Think it, make it, truly that easy. Tip 4. Suggest images. Here is how to find the perfect images to illustrate a specific section of your content. First, highlight the text you want to visualize and click Edit with AI. Then choose Suggest Images. Gamma will recommend a series of images to complement the specific content. Tip 5. AI Chat. Access your personal editor and designer with the AI chat. To open the chat interface, click on the Edit with AI button when selecting a card, text, image, or at the top right corner of your presentation. Then select Chat with AI. You can ask Gamma to modify images, add more information, change tone, insert components. You describe it. Gamma makes it. These 5 pro tips will help you make the most out of Gamma's AI so you can work faster, save time, and boost your creativity. Try it today at gamma.app and bring your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.